Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Cornwall. I'll kick off the video with some epic drone shots of where I spent the night. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed that. The weather's been absolutely rubbish lately, so it's been difficult to get the drone up. Yesterday, or in the last video that you saw, we had like 3/4 of a day of perfect weather, which was awesome. So I actually got to enjoy some of Cornwall for what it is. Now today, the weather's a bit rubbish again. As you can tell, drizzly and windy, as it seems to always be down in Cornwall. But we're going to go and have a look at this waterfall that was recommended to me at St Nectan's Glen. It's about 15 minutes away from here, so me and Sky here, Ape Up, are going to go for a walk and see what happens. Let's go. So, we are at St Nectan's Glen, or rather, a car park for St Nectan's Glen. If the weather was nice, you would be able to see the sea over there. You can just about make it out. Hey, Sky? What say you? Look at that face. Look at that face. So, what we're going to do now is go for a walk and try and find this waterfall. Just maybe we can get some epic shots. I'm well chuffed for my my drone shots earlier. Let me know what you think of those, or what you thought of those in the comment section below, please, because I was chuffed with them. I just hope, as usual, that my editing has done it any justice. Let's get out in it, get amongst it. Well, we made it here. I had to pay a £5 to get in, and even had to have a cup of tea. Of course I did. It is lovely, but a fiver to see a natural phenomenon. A waterfall is definitely not a phenomenon. I should really get a strap for this camera. Here it is. Hang on, let me sort myself out. Yeah, I paid a £5 to see that. I'm getting soaked, camera's getting soaked, Sky's getting soaked. It's nice, eh? I wanted to get the old drone out again, but I'm not sure I'm allowed here. There's people here now, look. Oh, it's lovely. There is another waterfall, so it's not just one. Hey Sky! I think Sky's loving it. Can you even see me? Lens is filthy. Well, that was a fiver. That was about £1 a minute. I'm pretty sure a prostitute's cheaper than that. I mean, I wouldn't know. But this is the walk out of here, which is alright to be fair. It's just a bit slippery. Sky's alright, but Sky's a bloody mountain goat. Aren't you, Sky? So, before I slip on my arse and smash my nice new camera up, let me know what you think of the new camera actually. Is it making a difference? Is it any different to my previous vlogs, which to be fair were all filmed on my phone, believe it or not, a phone and a gimbal. At the minute I'm running this camera literally with the tripod from my GoPro plugged into the bottom of it, and I've got the stabilisation on. Now hopefully the stabilisation is working, but I'm pretty sure the video quality is better. Once I learn how to colour grade on Premiere Pro, I'm sure the footage will look even better. But I've taken some epic pictures, which I've used that word epic quite a lot today. I'll chuck those in this video somewhere so you'll see some of the pictures that I've taken with this camera. It's a Panasonic Lumix G9 if you're interested. It's not cheap. Whew! It's not cheap, but I thought, seeing as I spent so much bloody money on the van, I might as well treat myself to a new camera to try and do some proper videos. I'm taking it so carefully down here, just because I'm so nervous of slipping and smashing this camera up. But, oh, it's alright. I'm going to try and find one more place to visit in this trip. I'll go home tomorrow morning, so what time is it now? It's like, it's on the camera somewhere, probably says it. I don't know, maybe 2 o'clock time. If I try and find somewhere else to visit, that'll be the end of this video. I'm sweating now, absolutely sweating. I know I haven't had proper videos out for a little while to be fair, but so I just kind of thought I had nothing to really vlog. I mean, I wasn't building stuff on the van. I'll be building again in a couple of weeks after Christmas. I need to do the garage area and the table like I keep going on about. But I thought I'd do more of this sort of stuff. Just like I'm back to work, so I'll be getting weekends off, and then I'm just going to film for the weekends. No matter what I do, I'm just going to film it, and then it should hopefully get my skill set on Premiere Pro a little bit better over time, and hopefully, just hopefully, the videos will be better. That's why I keep going on about it, but I'm so annoyed that my videos have gone from being half decent, or I thought they were half decent on the old software, to now using this new software, and I'm struggling to make the videos look good. Like I said, just to let me know how this video came out in the description, in the comment section below. But let's go and find a new spot, try and take some more epic shots. Sweet. Right, I've come to Tintagel coastline to finish this video. See the bridge? I tried to get up to the castle up there, but again, you need bloody tickets, and all the tickets were sold out apparently, if you can sell out a castle in the middle of winter. So there's only one thing to do to really get the most out of this place, and that's get the drone out. So what I'm going to do, because I was probably illegal and probably naughty, look at this coastline. Look at it. It's incredible. And the only way, I want to cross the bridge as well, but tickets, bloody tickets. So I'm going to get to higher ground, get right out of the way and hide up. Then I'm going to get the drone out and fly along this coastline. It's the only way I think I'm going to get the shots I want. I'll do a quick pan with the camera. Hang on a second. I think naturally the right thing to do is to get, can you see it? Let me sort myself out. Up there. Let's get up there. We'll take off from there. Hopefully it'll make this video. And I've done a lot of talking and rabbiting on in this video, but hopefully this will be the best shot of the day. Water's blue, look at that. It's So nice. I do love Cornwall. There you go. I will honestly show you guys this view. I'll just do it now. Let's get up there and do it now. Thanks for watching this video and the last Cornwall video. To be fair, I've really enjoyed my time down here and like just taking the time out just to film and just try and get some great shots. I've really enjoyed it. So I just hope that I can now go and edit them up and make them look half decent. But thanks anyway for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video and the last video in the comment section below. I do respond to all of my comments, every single one. Even if it's giving me stick, I don't mind. I'll still respond and give you it back. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button. Even if you didn't like it, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I will keep making these videos. There's a couple more van build videos to make, and should be loads more of these types of videos, travel videos, just fun really. So yeah, don't know what to say really. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.